guys started? So DOMI started with Puka, right? So this is my daughter, my second daughter, right? You guys might see it this couple of days. I'm not sure. Tomorrow I'm going to the nursery. Maybe I'll take her. So she was 4 months old at that time, and we were going across the street. This is south of Taiwan, Kaohsiung. And then what do you guys see? The exhaust, right, from the motorcycles. And my wife was pushing Puka across the street. And the motorcycle went by, so she picked it up. She picked it up, and then she just ran, right? So I went to pick up the trolley and I walked by and said, what is it? What's wrong, right? And she said, Puka is a pollution level. Because, you know, the trolley and the cars and motorcycles. I lived in Beijing for 9 years. And then I started thinking, Kaohsiung was like this 25 years ago. Still like this. How come there's Greenpeace? How come there's so many people know about environmental problems, about pollution, about cancer, but nothing changed? Everything changed in our life, how we behave. But nothing changed. 25 years still like this.
That's right.
And that was quite hit me because I was one of the first persons to do internet in Taiwan. I founded a company, went public. So I was one of the first person on internet. I see all that changes, our behavior, but nothing out here. The first thing I thought about is that I need to drive society. Right, so DOMI has to work on this side, which is what I am more familiar with the internet. Right? So DOMI has to work on this side and trying to collaborate with government. Right? So instead of arguing with the government, enhance what they can do by make sure the society is doing it. So that was the main philosophy of DOMI. So first one is, what are the countries in Asia right now? So there's basically 6 countries that already have a certain shape of movement at this point. And it's in different stages. So I think at this time I would say in terms of like different stakeholders' involvement in this, Taiwan has a lot of people engaged. So the central government, municipal government, we see the space, right? So there's a lot of, but this started 7 years ago, right? So 7 years before that, there was a lot of government saying, Taiwan the same. It's the same in Taiwan 7 years ago, right? So I was the first group of people went to the Social Enterprise World Forum. So somebody from Ministry of Labor went the year before and think this is important, and then the second year later, we have 70 people went to the Social Enterprise World Forum, and there was in Italy. So we discovered about social enterprise, and I was already started the B Corp movement at that time. But when we went to Italy just passed their law on B Corp. Right? So their Minister of Economics, the Ministry of Economics, and one of the most prestigious Italian economists came up and speak about B Corp. And that had a lot of effect on government thoughts, right? So when they came back, they started thinking about, so B Corp can go into medium, large companies, and then social enterprise probably can focus more on startups, right? That was kind of something in their mindset. And then the government changed hand to another. We had second party, right? But the 2 ministers that was working on social innovation, they work with each other. So the policy actually got carried forward, and then they even do more.